Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can select all clips in CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, open up your CapCut, cross this out and go to your existing project which has multiple clips. As you can see, it has multiple clips. What you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead and long press on them, and that way you will be able to move them around according to your requirement. Then go ahead, select them, and you can select them individually like that as well, right? Once you have selected them, you should be able to go ahead, go to this options, and you should be able to find a multi-select option from this options. Now, once you have selected the multi-select option, you should be able to go ahead, select them all, and it will show you a blue check mark on top of the video once it has been selected, and you can go ahead, you can delete them all, or you can do whatever editing you will prefer to all of them. That's what you can do. All you have to do is select them, and you should be able to find the multi-select option below. If not, then you can go ahead individually have to select, and you have to remove them like that, and that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.